Hey everyone, check out this Keychron K3 version 2. It's seriously impressive. I've been using it for a while now, and I gotta say, this ultra-slim wireless mechanical keyboard is a game changer, especially if you're looking for something compact and portable. First off, the size. It's a 75% layout, which means it ditches the numpad, but keeps all the essential function keys. Perfect for saving desk space or throwing in your bag. And talking about throwing it in your bag, this thing is incredibly thin and light. Keychron says the low-profile switches are 40% slimmer than conventional ones, and you can definitely feel the difference. It's almost like typing on a laptop keyboard, but with the satisfying clicky feedback of a mechanical one. I got the Keychron red switches, which are linear and super smooth. Great for typing and even light gaming. The build quality is also top-notch. The aluminum body feels really solid and premium. And the RGB backlighting? Gorgeous. It adds a touch of personality to your setup, and it's surprisingly customizable with different colors and effects. Plus, the keycaps have a nice texture and feel great under your fingertips. Now let's talk connectivity. This bad boy connects via Bluetooth 5.1 to up to 3 devices. Switching between them is seamless. I've had it connected to my laptop, phone, and tablet simultaneously with no issues. And if you prefer a wired connection, it's got USB Type-C too. Super convenient. One of the things I really appreciate about the Keychron K3 is its compatibility. It works flawlessly with both Mac and Windows. They even include extra keycaps for both operating systems, which is a nice touch. No more hunting down separate keycaps. So, is there anything I don't like about it? Honestly, not much. If I'm being nitpicky, the low-profile switches might take a little getting used to if you're coming from a traditional mechanical keyboard. But after a few days, I was typing at full speed. Also, while the RGB is cool, the software for customizing it could be a bit more intuitive. Overall, the Keychron K3 version 2 is a fantastic keyboard. It's slim, portable, well-built, and packed with features. If you're looking for a high-quality wireless mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, definitely check this one out. It's perfect for productivity, light gaming, and even just casual browsing. The 75% layout, combined with the ultra-slim design and multi-device connectivity, makes it a winner in my book. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.